Alright guys, so a bunch of you have hit me up on Instagram in the comments and everything, and there is this article that has been surfacing about Dodge potentially going to electrical powered engines. And I took a look at the article and everything, and I kind of want to get what your thoughts are. The article is going to be in the description, and really what it's explaining is that by the year 2025-ish, or approaching 2030, Dodge is going to be making almost all their V8s with an electrical engine to pair up with this. And if you watch a lot of my older videos about how V8s would make it into the future, I said that these companies are going to try to keep the V8 by pairing it with an electrical engine, okay? And they're going to keep the V8 into the future because of the fact that there is still a market for it. Now, obviously, with emissions and a lot of regulations that continue piling up, it's going to be harder and harder to keep V8s at the current size that they are at. They're going to have to continuously become more efficient as time goes on. And really, this video is not meant to be informative. It's more so to get basically, I want to hear what your thoughts are on what is the future, because it seems as though Ford is basically going to put an end to their V8s, okay? From the looks of it, from the sounds of it, they have really gone full on electrical cars, okay? I heard from the article that they are currently looking at 4 cylinders with electrical powered engines that will make well over V8 powered vehicles at the moment. So this is unfortunate. This is talk that has been around for the last several years, but it looks as though, approaching 2030 or so, we are going to start seeing a lot of the V8s, fizzle out, and 4 cylinders and electrical, performance cars are going to pretty much start taking over. But you know what, guys, make sure in the comments below you weigh in on what your thoughts are on this particular topic. I still think that we have 10 to 15 years with V8s coming out in production. They're going to be paired up with electrical engines, and they're going to keep making these suckers very efficient. And I think that's going to buy plenty of time, and I think Dodge is going to be the last one that gets rid of the V8. So that is my thoughts on it. A lot of people have been kind of hitting me up and wanting to know what my thoughts were. I still think we have plenty of time to have fun, and that's that. Running good?
Yeah, just first checks, you know. Bring it back in, give it a wash later.
It sounds awesome.
Yeah.
What's the entire setup with this thing?
So it's a high boost 426 built by Better Built Engines, and we assembled it all. We just cleaned up a couple things, Tytech cylinder heads.
So this is a 6.1, right?
This is a 6.1 based 426.
A 6.1 based 426. Okay. And how many pounds of boost do you think you run?
We're gonna go for about 20.
20 pounds? Okay. And that's good for about 900.
It's actually, it might make a little bit more. We're just being a little conservative.
Yeah. Okay. And what do you think quarter mile wise? What are you shooting for?
9s.
9s?
Yeah.
Ooh. That is beastly. So what? It sounds like this thing has like cutouts or something.
There's one big cutout for the custom Stage 6 turbo kit. Right on the side over here.
Okay. And obviously it's got headers and everything. Headers on.
It's all customized. It's actually factory manifolds all to the turbo.
Wow. Okay. Very cool, man.
Guy likes purple.
Yeah, that's interesting. Very interesting. Woo. Jim, can you rev it? Can you rev?